as well as the...
Amnesty International has warned that protests could increase in 2017, just like in 2016, if various governments do not take the demands of the people with seriousness. The report gives an assessment of the human rights situation in the world in 2016, where there were cases of deliberate breaking of international law and undermining of institutions meant to protect people's rights.
2016 was pretty awful as a year for human rights. It was marked by a poisonous and divisive manipulation of identity politics by politicians who made cynical use of the us versus them narrative, the counter-human rights narrative of blame, of hate, of fear, in order to press the right buttons to win votes from excluded, disenchanted voters.
A precarious human rights situation reigned in Africa in 2016, especially with the continuous fighting between opposing camps in South Sudan.
Despite the signing of the peace agreement, fighting continued in different parts of the country and escalated in the Equatorial region. The UN Special Advisor on Genocide and the UN Commission on Human Rights for South Sudan raised alarm that the stage was being set for genocide.
Amnesty International has called on Nigerian officials to look into accusations of serious war crimes committed by the terror Boko Haram and the military. The Nigerian government has been accused of doing very little in the face of such accusations.